Removing makeup at the end of the day is a crucial step in maintaining healthy, radiant skin. But with so many makeup remover wipes on the market, how do you choose the best one for your skin type and needs? In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 makeup remover wipes that not only cleanse effectively but also care for your skin. These wipes are designed to make your routine quick, efficient, and gentle. Let's explore the best options to keep your skin fresh and clean. Kicking off our list at number 1, the simple kind to skin cleansing facial wipes are a go-to for anyone seeking a gentle yet effective way to remove makeup. Known for their hypoallergenic formula, these wipes cater to sensitive skin, ensuring a thorough cleanse without irritation. Key features: the wipes are enriched with provitamin B5, vitamin E, and triple purified water, which work together to hydrate and refresh your skin. They are free from artificial perfumes, dyes, and harsh chemicals, making them suitable for all skin types. Benefits and usage: these wipes are perfect for removing stubborn makeup, including waterproof mascara, while nourishing your skin. Their hydrating properties help maintain your skin's natural moisture balance, leaving it feeling soft and clean. They're also ideal for travel or quick touch-ups throughout the day. Usability: the packaging is compact and resealable, ensuring the wipes remain moist and ready to use. The soft texture of the wipes ensures a gentle cleanse without tugging at your skin, making them great for sensitive areas like the eyes. Durability: each wipe is sturdy and generously sized, allowing you to cleanse your entire face with one wipe. The formula leaves no residue, ensuring your skin feels clean and refreshed for hours. In the second spot, we have Pond's. The Pond's original Fresh Moisture Clean Towelettes are a staple in many beauty routines, known for their ability to remove even the toughest makeup while refreshing your skin. These wipes are a blend of cleansing power and skincare benefits. Key features: infused with vitamin E and triple antioxidant complex, these wipes cleanse and nourish simultaneously. They are dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, and safe for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: these wipes effectively remove dirt, oil, and waterproof makeup, leaving your skin fresh and hydrated. The added antioxidants work to protect your skin from environmental damage, making them ideal for daily use. Usability: the textured surface of the wipes ensures thorough cleansing with minimal effort. The resealable packaging keeps the wipes moist and ready for use, whether at home or on the go. Durability: each wipe is durable and generously soaked with the cleansing formula, ensuring a single wipe can tackle even full-face makeup. They leave your skin feeling clean without any greasy residue. Coming in at number 3 is the LOral. The L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Makeup Remover Wipes are designed to cater to mature skin, offering anti-aging benefits alongside effective cleansing. These wipes are a luxurious option for those looking to simplify their skincare routine. Key features: formulated with proretinol and vitamin C, these wipes not only remove makeup but also help improve skin texture over time. They are dermatologist tested and suitable for all skin types. Benefits and usage: these wipes remove makeup, dirt, and impurities while promoting a smoother, more youthful appearance. The inclusion of proretinol makes them a great choice for those seeking to combat fine lines and wrinkles. Usability: the soft, quilted texture of the wipes ensures a gentle yet effective cleanse. The easy-to-use packaging keeps the wipes fresh, making them convenient for travel or daily use. Durability: each wipe is thick and durable, capable of removing even waterproof makeup in one go. The anti-aging formula ensures your skin feels clean, hydrated, and cared for after each use. Taking our 4th spot is Yes to Cucumber Soothing Hypoallergenic Facial Wipes are a favorite among those with sensitive skin. These wipes are formulated to cleanse, hydrate, and calm your skin all at once. Key features: infused with cucumber extract, aloe vera, and green tea, these wipes offer a soothing and refreshing cleanse. They are hypoallergenic, cruelty-free, and free from harsh chemicals, making them safe for all skin types. Benefits and usage: these wipes remove makeup and impurities while leaving your skin feeling refreshed and nourished. The cucumber extract provides a cooling effect, making them perfect for hot days or post-workout cleanses. Usability. The resealable packaging ensures the wipes remain moist and ready to use. The soft, non-abrasive texture makes them suitable for delicate areas like the eyes and lips. Durability. The durable design ensures each wipe holds up during use, allowing you to cleanse thoroughly without tearing. They leave no residue, just clean and refreshed skin. At number 5, we have Bioderma. The Bioderma Sensibio H2O wipes are an extension of the brand's iconic micellar water, offering a quick and convenient way to cleanse your skin. These wipes are a top choice for those seeking gentle, yet effective makeup removal. Key features. Enriched with micellar water technology, these wipes remove makeup and impurities while respecting your skin's natural balance. They are hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage. These wipes cleanse your skin thoroughly without causing irritation or dryness. They're perfect for removing waterproof makeup and are gentle enough for daily use, even on reactive skin. Usability. The wipes are pre-soaked in micellar water, ensuring an even and effective cleanse. The resealable packaging keeps them fresh and ready to use, whether you're at home or traveling. Durability. Each wipe is strong and absorbent, making it easy to remove makeup without needing multiple wipes. The formula leaves your skin feeling clean, soft, and hydrated. That wraps up our list of the best makeup remover wipes to suit every skin type and need. From the soothing effects of Yes to cucumbers, to the anti-aging benefits of L'Oreal Paris Revitalift, there's a wipe for everyone. Whether you prioritize sensitive skin care or powerful cleansing, these products will simplify your beauty routine and leave your skin feeling refreshed. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips and reviews.